everyone, this is me Satya here, and I'm doing your first week of May reading, start from the 1st to the 7th of May 2021. This is going to be for the sign of Capricorn. So let's see how the first week is going to be for you guys. I will add oracle cards in this reading. I will also add charms as well, so stay tuned. And while I shuffle the cards, let me remind you, it's a general read. It may not resonate with everyone out there, so always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal reads, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram, where I do upload daily reads. So wow, I do see some sort of stability entering in your life. It can be coming from your love life. It can be coming from your work life as well. It can be financial stability. It can be stability in your love life as well. But I feel like it's gonna be a month and a week where you are gonna feel that there is some sort of blessings, divine protection is with you. So especially around the first week time, it seems like you could sense some sort of protection with you from divine. So protection plus okay, let's see first how the cards uh, come out. Let's see. Ace of Pentacles. Big lottery wins, financial abundance, raise in your salary, promotion, a lot of abundance. Financial one is definitely entering in your life. You are going to be the one lucky person who's going to get it all in the month of May, especially in the it's more like the abundance that you are feeling in the very beginning of this week, 1st to 7. That abundance is going to be like lighting the whole month up for you. Financial stability, financial abundance is definitely on the cards for you, for sure, in the first week time. I feel like it's going to be like a handsome money amount which you would be getting. For some of you, you might get an expensive gift from a specific someone as well. It always doesn't have to be something that has to come in money. Maybe it's going to be something expensive that you would be getting. Maybe you're getting a gift of a car or something as well. So something expensive is definitely you will be kind of getting that expensive gift from someone. And I hope it comes in for a good cause, for a good reason as well. Let's see more cards here. Queen of Swords. Wow. Ten of Swords. Ten of Pentacles. Wow. For majority of you, this new thing, this new abundance that you are going to be attracting in your life, that you would be having in your life, is going to change your perspective. If there has been things in your life which you used to be very critical about, you are going to soften yourself up around it. Now that could be coming because you are going to have a lot of humbleness in yourself. As you get this, you're going to feel like you are the universe really loves you. You are being rewarded for something good. So maybe that thing is going to bring some sort of change within you. And I feel like for some reasons, especially if you have been kind of pushing love and all the things that has to do with love, if you were pushing those things away, that too is going to end in this time. There is going to be a lot of humbleness coming from within you in this first week time, where you would feel maybe if, especially if you have been feeling like I don't want to get into a committed relationship, I don't want to be in a relationship, I don't want like anything to do with love life. Now your perspective is going to change around it. For some of you, maybe you have been a very workaholic kind of a person or very career oriented person, and if that is the case, or that has been the case, you getting something good in your finances now is going to turn your focus to something other than that, like your love life and stuff to do with that. Let's take more cards here. Star again. So basically you are definitely being guided towards something by divine. You getting some achievement in your work life is going to be like bringing a lot of your focus onto the other areas of your life, which is one which out of one is love. There you go again. For some of you, maybe it's a proposal, and the proposal that comes in, it can bring you financial abundance too. For maybe maybe for some of you, maybe it's not going to be resonating with everyone out there, but maybe the proposal that you get in this week time is going to be from somebody who's very rich, who's somebody very successful, and that person could be one of the reasons why you are one thing, your lifestyle, your the way you look at things, maybe that too is going to change. Maybe you have been very critical, but then after you get, a proposal from a person like this, maybe your attitude is going to soften up. Maybe this person is somebody who is rich and humble, and that is going to inspire you to be humble and be pleasant. I feel like, maybe you have had a bad situations in your love life that have made you a bit of rigid, rude to other people. Maybe if that has been the case, that too is going to change. So definitely some good changes are coming up, and along with that, a big major change is coming up for you in your love life, which is going to be, definitely, affecting your sorry, a big change is coming up in your love work life, which is going to be affecting your love life as well in a major big positive way. Let's see more cards here. Knight of Pentacles again, which these two cards came up while I was I could see while I was shuffling up. So then we have the Chariot. Somebody is really rushing towards you, and this person could be somebody who let's see, one card from the middle of the deck. King of Cups. Ooh, somebody has love for you. This person could be a new person. This person could be an old person as well. Somebody from the past as well. But this person is definitely coming with a big bang, and this person is gonna marry you for sure. Like, I don't see this person wants it otherwise or any other way. This person is so sure, and this person is gonna soften you up towards them. No matter what has happened in the past, if it's a past person, this person is gonna melt your heart for sure again for them. So yeah, let's see the Oracle cards. Let's see what the Oracle has to add to the read for you guys. So we do have, wow, a birdie with a message. Ta-da! So it says, friendship, nurture the bonds of friendship within your relationship, and your love life will dramatically improve. Now, for some of you, as you have this person enter in your life, this person could be a friend of yours as well, who have, who you have known for quite some time, but maybe they and you were never in a relationship. That could be the case for some of you. If it's a past person, it will be maybe a friend of yours or something to do with that. But this person entering in your life is like a blessing, and it's like you will not be able to say no to this person for sure, and something stable along with them coming into your life regarding your love life. Let's see more cards here. Let's see what else we have for you, Capricorns. This is going to be a blessed week for you for sure. Embrace your emotions, allow your feelings to surface and be accepted. Number 18, this person is definitely going to be somebody who's going to make you embrace your emotions, who's going to make you take this mask off where you were not ready to accept love offer coming your way, be that from exes, be that from new people. You had basically closed yourself off to this idea of getting in a relationship because of the failures that you might have had. This person is going to open your heart up to accept new love offers in your life, and then the rest is gonna just happen without you putting any effort. It's more like you are now being rewarded for all the way that you did in your love life to have something beautiful for yourself. So yeah, for majority of you, I feel like this is going to be a new person in love. Like a person maybe you know already, but in love, in a relationship like this, this is the first time you are getting into one with this. Like this person could be a colleague, co-worker, business partner, or something to do with that. But this person is definitely somebody who's very stable financially. Take time to breathe out. This person and you must spend a lot of time together, and you should just stop pushing this person away now. It's high time. It's high time you just open your heart up to love and let love in with this person. Abundance, financial abundance is definitely on the cards for you for sure. But along with that, the good thing is love life is also getting abundant. Let's see the charms now. Let's see what the charms have to add to the read for you guys. X, K, and D. These could be your name initial of the person that you are dealing with. And then we do have something coming out of nowhere for you. This proposal, this person, this love offer is something that you might not be expecting, and then things are rushing forward very, very swiftly with this person. Trust, love, dream, hope. So it's time for you to trust and dream big and love and hope for good. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for this week time. If the reading resonates with you, do like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal read, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Until I do the next reading for you guys, take care and bye bye.